Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. We already discussed about number system, basic gates and all types of Boolean postulates in digital electronics. And also I will teach the practical application of digital electronics in my channel. We already discussed about OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate and NAND gate using discrete circuit components. Those who are not visit my channel, please follow my channel for clear understanding of your electronic science subject. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब की बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके रखिए ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो लेकर आऊँ आपको पता चले। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। In today's lecture, we will learn how we construct NOR gate using discrete circuit components. So let's get started. So, what is NOR gate? We already know in previous lecture. That is, a NOR gate is a combination logic gate in which a NOT gate follows an OR gate. इस सेशन में हम सीखेंगे how we construct NOR gate using discrete circuit components. तो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे चलते हैं. So, this is the circuit symbol of a NOR gate. A is the one input and B is the another input. Y is the output. Y equal to A or B whole bar. That means a NOT gate follows an OR gate. NOR gate chip number is 7402. Okay. So this is the circuit symbol of a NOR gate. In this slide, we saw the truth table of a NOR gate. A and B are the two inputs. Y is the output. We know Y equal to A or B whole bar. When A is 0, B is 0. 0 or 0, we get 0. 0 का inversion है 1. So we get 1 output. When A0, B1, 0 or 1, we get 1 output. 1 का inversion है 0. So here Y equal to 0. When A1, B0, 1 or 0, we get 1. 1 का inversion है 0. So we get in Y output 0. When the both logic are high, that means A1, B1, A or B, that means 1 or 1, we get 1 output. 1 का inversion है 0. So here we get 0 output. So this is the truth table of a NOR gate. How we construct NOR gate using discrete circuit components हम सीखेंगे next slide पे. So this is the design of a NOR gate using discrete circuit components. Here we use two diodes D1 and D2. This side is P side, this side is N side. Diode D2, this left side is called P side and this right side is N side. The two N side are shorted by a wire. From this junction point, one resistor, that is R1, 1 kilo ohm resistor is connected. This 1 kilo ohm resistor, one terminal is connected into this junction point and the another terminal is connected with the base terminal of this NPN transistor. Here one NPN transistor is used as a inverter. This terminal is base, this terminal is emitter terminal which is to be grounded. The transistor is in CE mode. This is the collector terminal. From collector terminal we connected another resistor, that is R2. The value of this resistor is 1 kilo ohm and this transistor is biasing by a 9 volt power supply. Okay, so here 9 volt power supply positive part is connected with the collector terminal and the negative Negative part is connected with the emitter terminal, which is to be grounded. One LED is used as a display device through a 330 ohm resistor to protect the LED, otherwise it will be damaged. Two switches are used, switch 1 and switch 2, one 5 volt power supply is used. When the two switches are open, that means this condition. In this condition, we saw the current flow direction through this circuit. The diode is in non-conducting state, okay, and the transistor is in cutoff condition, and the LED is in high condition. That means LED will be glowing condition, or it is in on condition. When this is the logic level, when these two switches are open, diode 0 input 0 output, 0 input 0 output, we saw it. Base from this base terminal we saw that the current is 0 and the LED will be glow because we get inverted output. When this is 0, when this is 0, switch 1 is open, switch 2 is closed, that is 0 1 condition. Truth table की second row मतलब 0 1 condition. In this condition, the current flow direction we saw here, that this diode is in conducting state and this diode is in non-conducting state. So in this diode no current will be flow, but in this diode the current will be flow. 5 volt from 5 volt power supply to the current will be flow from D2 diode, and from D2 diode it will be sent in transistor base terminal of the transistor. Transistor is in saturation condition, thus the transistor reach in saturation condition, and because of this transistor here we use as an inverter, we get 0 output, that means LED will not glow. Okay, so this is the second condition. Third condition, when 1 0 condition. 1 0 means switch 1 is closed and switch 2 is open. In this condition, here we saw the current flow direction, that D2 diode is open now and this is the non-conducting state, and D1 diode is in conducting state. So the 5 volt power from the 5 volt power supply, the current will be flow from D1 diode through R1 resistor through base terminal of the transistor, and transistor reaches into the saturation position, and because of this transistor used as a inverter circuit, the current will not flow through this LED device and thus the LED will not glow. This is in off condition. So this is the third condition. And the fourth condition, that when both inputs are at logic high, means switch 1 is closed, switch 2 is also closed. Both inputs are in logic high, 1 1 condition. Okay, so in this condition we saw the current flow direction, that दोनों डायोड से करंट फ्लो कर रहा है. इस डायोड ये डायोड भी इन कंडक्टिंग स्टेट और ये भी इन कंडक्टिंग स्टेट. सो the current will flow from this transistor circuit, the transistor driven into saturation region, and because of this transistor used as a inverter circuit, no current will flow through this LED display and LED will be off condition, it will not glow. Okay, so here we, by this process here we verified the truth table of a NOR gate. Again, when 0 0 condition is reached, we saw that the LED will be glow. So this is the design of a NOR gate using discrete circuit components, where we use two diodes, one transistor, two resistor, and one resistor is used for protect LED display, and one 5 volt power supply and one 9 volt power supply. So by this simple process easily we can design a NOR gate, and from this circuit we can easily verify the NOR gate truth table, where a NOR gate follows an OR gate output. Okay. So this is the design part and the function part of the NOR gate. Okay. तो यहाँ पे खत्म होता है मेरा आज का ये सेशन. थैंक यू. इफ यू लाइक माय वीडियो देन प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. थैंक यू.